Well, hello there. My name is Larry Rosen from the Ajax Public Library. Welcome to October's virtual Tween Tech Club. Glad you're here. This month, we're going to be doing some coding. And we're going to be using software called Swift Coding. And that's coding that's specially designed for the iPad. And coding is a way to write code. And the reason that I like this particular way of coding is that it's very user-friendly. And it's open source, it's easy to learn. You can see the results immediately. That's another good thing about it. It was designed to be your first programming language. And I'm going to demonstrate it for you today in this session. And rather than just me talking about it, why don't I just go into the program? I'm going to share the screen and I'm going to show you all about Swift coding. Now, Swift coding, just wanted to tell you before we start, it's an app that you can download right from the App Store. Just go on your App Store on your iPad and do a search for Swift Playgrounds. Okay, and download that app, it's free. And once you do that, I'm going to share my screen here so you can watch and see exactly how this app works. It is quite easy. All right, and we'll bring up Swift Playgrounds. This is probably what you're gonna see at the beginning. And there's different playgrounds. And when you're first learning, there's two playgrounds here. One is called Learn to Code 1 and Learn to Code 2. So we're going to start with Learn to Code 1. And I'm just going to press on that and open it up. And here we go. So have you ever followed a recipe to bake something delicious? I use recipes all the time. Or followed some instructions to assemble something that's really cool? This is the introduction to Swift. You need to follow the instructions in the correct order or you're going to end up with something unexpected. And writing code allows you to create your own set of instructions for the iPad to carry out. And your goal is to figure out which instructions in which order will result in something great. And what you're going to do is you're going to write commands to move this little character. His name is Byte. And you're going to move him around his little world and performing tasks. You can tell him to move forward or collect a gem. And yeah, they will put the words together. That's how they do it in programming, and that's okay. You don't need spaces or things like that. Okay. So this is the first screen that you're going to see. And there you see on the right-hand side, this is the character called Byte. He's got a green head, and he's just standing there waiting to collect that red gem. But he needs to be told what to do. And that's where our job comes in. We have to tell Byte what to do. And so we're going to start with something really easy. And we have to get Byte to get that gem. So it says, tap to enter code in blue in the middle of the screen on the left. So I'm going to press tap to enter code. And when I do that, at the bottom, I see two possibilities. One says collect gem and one says move forward. So if you look on the left, you see that Byte needs to move forward in order to collect the gem. So I'm going to press at the bottom of the screen, the button that says move forward. I'm going to press that one time, and when I press it, you'll notice that it appears on the left. I have put that code in there to have Byte move forward. And then if I press at the bottom of the screen, if I press collect gem, now collect gem appears on the left side of the screen. Now, is that going to be enough of a code for Byte to get that red gem? Let's find out. I'm going to press run my code at the bottom of the right-hand screen. Let's watch and see if Byte can get the red gem. Here we go. I'm going to press run my code and let's see what happens. Oh, so close. So he tried to get the gem, but he stopped in the middle, which means, what do you think? What do you think it means? We had him moving forward, but maybe we didn't move him forward enough. Maybe we need more move forwards in there. So we can fix that. At the bottom right-hand corner is a little X. And I'm going to press that a few times and watch what happens on the left-hand side when I'm pressing it. And click, 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 click. So I'm taking out the collect gem. So now we only have one move forward. Maybe we need another move forward. So I'm going to press move forward at the bottom, the move forward button at the bottom. I'm going to press that again. And I'm going to press that another time, move forward. So now on the left, you see 3 move forwards. You think that'll be enough for him to collect the red gem? So we have to also press collect gem again because he has to collect the gem after he has moved forward. So there's our code right now on the left. Move forward, move forward, move forward, collect gem. Is that enough? Let's find out. I'm going to press run my code and let's watch Byte. See what he does. Here we go. So he goes back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, collect gem. And Byte is very happy because we did coding that let Byte get the gem. What do you think so far? Do you think it's something that you're going to be able to do? I'm going to show you a few more and show you how easy this programming language is. Okay, we're just about to do another step here. I just wanted to recap. We're using the Swift coding app that's available from the Apple store. You just search for it and you download that app. And when you download the app, one of the first playgrounds you'll see is Learn to Code 1. And that's where we're in right now, is Learn to Code 1. And it's giving you step-by-step instructions. And I'm showing you how easy it is. We're going back to the app right now. And we're going to do some more steps and try to help Byte get what he needs, which is that red gem. There we go. Okay, so we've already done this one. So I'm going to press, it says issuing commands at the top left. I'm going to press the little arrow beside issuing commands to go to the next one. And another challenge is going to come up. There it is. So you see Byte on the right-hand side, and he still needs to get the gem. But if you'll notice, there's something different. Can you see what's different about this one? It's not necessarily a straight line, whereas the previous one, we just did move forward and move forward and move forward. But in this one, the gem is not in a straight line, so we're going to have to do something different. So how should we start this off? Well, it looks like Byte needs to move forward a little bit at first. So I'm going to press at the bottom. There's 3 buttons, 3 choices. So the first one is move forward. So I'm going to press that one time. And there you see on the left, move forward. So I've got that code in there. And is that enough? Is that enough of a forward? Or do you think I should put a second one in there? Maybe I'll put a second move forward in there. So there's 2 move forwards. And now Bite will, if Bite turns right, I think he would fall off the cliff. So we have to get Bite to turn left. And to do that, luckily there is a turn left button on the at the bottom. So I'm going to press that one time, turn left, and then on the left you can see turn left. But after you turn left, will he get the gem? Let's try it right now. I'm going to press run my code. Let's see what happens. Here we go. 1, move forward. 2, move forward, turn left. Oh, he's scratching his head. He couldn't get the red diamond. You know why? It's because we still need him to move forward after he turned left. That's right. So we need to add some more move forward. So I'm going to press move forward again. Here we go. From the bottom, move forward 1 time. And what do you think? Is 1 move forward enough, or should I do 2? Let's do 2. Here we go. Okay, let's run our code and see what happens. He's thinking, all right, starting at the beginning. 1, move forward. 2, move forward. Turn left. Move forward. Move forward. Oh, he didn't get it. What did I forget? I forgot 1 button. Can you see it at the bottom? You're right, it's collect gem. I didn't tell Bite to collect the gem, so I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to press that, collect gem. Now, when I run my code, let's see what happens. Here we go, press run my code. 1, 2, turn left, move forward, move forward. And Bite is happy once again. See how easy that is? I know what you're saying. That's probably too easy, right? A little bit too easy. Some might think it's a little easy. Some might think it's a little difficult. Everybody goes at their own pace. It's okay. But point is to just have fun. And the more you do this, the easier it's going to get. I'm going to show you one more challenge and see if we can go through this together. And I'm just going to share the screen again. And it gets a little trickier each time. Each one of these projects gets a little bit trickier, but you get to figure it out. Okay, so here we've got a new challenge. The challenge in this one, if you look at the top left, it says collect the gem and then toggle the switch. So you already know what a gem looks like. It's that red thing that's revolving around up in the air. But you don't know what a toggle switch is yet. So a toggle switch is this, see in the middle, there's a gray, it looks like a gray, just something that Bite can stand on. It's a gray square. You see that in the middle? So that's a toggle switch. And we have to get Bite to step on it, because when he steps on it, he toggles the switch and then the switch does something. Okay, so that's the challenge for this one. Are you ready to give it a try? Here we go. We're going to tap to enter code on the left, and our buttons should come up. Which buttons do we use? Okay, so first we have to get Bite to get the gem. That's the first thing. So it looks like he's going to have to move forward once or twice. What do you think? I think I will press move forward button at the bottom twice. 1, 2. So, and it looks like if I pressed a third time, he might fall over the cliff. So I'm not going to do another move forward. It looks like he has to turn. Do we have a turn right or no? It's just a turn left that is available. So I'm going to press turn left. Okay. And then after he turns left, what does he do? See, we have to tell him these things. He just does not know what to do without our help. And that's why we are coders. We are programmers. And we're figuring it out for Byte. So after he turns left, he has to move forward again. How many times? What do you think? I will press it 1 time. And then I will collect the gem. Let's see if that works. I'll press collect gem. See our code on the left so far? Move forward, turn left, move forward, collect gem. Let's see if this works. I'm going to press run my code on the right bottom, and let's see what happens. 1, 2. Is he going to turn? Yes, he turns. Move forward, collect gem. Oh, he didn't seem too happy there. Well, it looks like so far it worked. We've done everything right so far. But the goal, remember the original goal was to collect the gem and then toggle the switch, which is that gray square. So we have to get Byte to move to that gray square. And so that will be probably some more move forwards. How many do you think? 1 or 2? Let's try 1. Move forward. And then he probably has to turn again, I'm thinking. So I will press at the bottom button, I will press turn left. And then after he turns left, he's going to have to move forward again. But how many times? I'm going to guess 2. So I'm going to press the move forward at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to press it twice. 1, 2. And now I'm going to run my code and let's see what happens. Let's see if we can make Byte happy or not. Here we go. Press run my code. It's going to start right at the beginning again. Here we go. And come on, Byte. He's still thinking. Here we go. Move forward, turn left, move forward, collect gem, move forward, turn left, move forward. Oh, he's so depressed. What did I forget? I think I forgot one final thing. Can you see it? The bottom of the screen, one of the buttons? That's right, the toggle switch. I'm going to press the toggle switch button because Byte did not know that he had to toggle the switch, so we had to tell him. So I'm going to press run my code again now that I've added the toggle switch. And let's see the final result. Forward, collect the gem. He's looking happy so far. Turn left, move forward. Yes, we did it. What do you think? Is that something you would like to try? I hope you do give it a try. And if you want to take a photo and post it on our social media, Ajax Public Library, we'd love to see it. So that's the activity for this month. I want to thank you for joining me here today. And we look forward to seeing you again next month. I'll have another tech activity for you. Thank you again for joining me and stay safe.